Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this I'm taking one of this beautiful bunny sign where these beautiful spring colored bunnies are hanging out together. I wanted to decorate them and give them like a beautiful decor, and I want to dress them up basically. So I'm pulling out their tails and I'm going to paint exactly the same colors that they are in. And for pink I'm going to paint the pink color and green and yellow and blue. Basically what I'm trying to do over here is dulling down the shine, and also wanted to make it look matte, as well as this sparkles is also giving like a little bit of embossed look to it. It's just giving like a little bit of an upliftment of that particular each bunny. So I'm liking that. So I painted all 4 of the bunnies in appropriate colors, and I have this gingham ribbon, and I actually matched all the colors of the bunny, but I couldn't find one for the blue. And for yellow I'm going with orange, and actually yellow and orange are looking great together. So taking a little bit of jute twine, I'm actually circling it around it, and using a dab of a hot glue I'm attaching it the burlap piece, and I'm going to stick this bow on his neck. And I also ducktailed all of them off screen, and then I'm attaching all of these cute bows onto the neck of these cute bunnies, just like so. And how cute that is, pink and pink gingham bow. And I'm also sticking their cotton tails on each of them, and they're so looking gorgeous already. I'm loving it so far. And I also painted the welcome sign in pink. It was in like pink shiny letters, and I dulled down and made it look like matte. And the welcome also looks gorgeous now. I took like 2 pieces of greenery and I just stuck it with a dab of a hot glue on either side, and I'm also going to take some more on the other end so that it lays straight and it doesn't cover my welcome letters. And I took like small piece of a floral, the pink one, in the center, and I don't want to overdo it because I want to highlight the bunnies and their beautiful gingham bows with their cotton tail. And this is how the end result looks like. I'm so happy how these spring bunnies are hanging out together, and they're all beautiful colors with the tiny bows. I'm just loving the whole decor and view of it. I didn't sand down the shiny sparkles, and I let it be, and I painted on top of it, which actually helped because it also gives like a little embossed and elevated, so it looks like the bunnies are there. I just stuck some wooden pieces there, so it worked out, and I'm so happy about it. So I'm very happy with the end result, and I love how these spring bunnies are hanging out together and enjoying the spring. And I hope you see the same way as I see. And yeah, you have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section. On to DIY number 2. For this I'm taking one of my last year Easter sign. I actually distressed the board, and I stuck one of this beautiful bunny sign, and I'm going to repurpose this bunny sign. I'm going to use the back part of it, and I'm going to decoupage it. For that I have to paint the back of it with apple barrel white paint, and I went with couple of coats to get like nice full coverage. And after the paint is completely dried, I took one of this tissue paper which has got like spring florals everywhere, and I loved this pink and lavender and orange flowers together, and I wanted to decoupage that. For that I'm taking a little bit of Mod Podge and I'm actually surfacing it with the paintbrush all over it, so it just covers every corner of the bunny just like so. And I'm going to take a piece of this tissue paper and I'm going to carefully apply it on top of this bunny, and I'm just smoothing it down so any air bubbles are there, it will be released. And once it's dried, I'm just trimming out all around the bunny with a scissor just like so. After I smoothed everything, now I am going to using the Mod Podge brush, I'm just painting all the tiny pieces back to the board, and this is how it looks. And I'm also taking one thin coat of Mod Podge all over the surface and I'm going to let it dry. And my spring bunny is dry and it is ready to be decorated, and this is one of the wooden sign that I got during Valentine's time, and I'm going to use the back part of it. I could have distressed the board a little bit, but for some reason, it just slipped out of my mind, and I took like a couple of sheer ribbons that are going well with this background, and I just made like 3 pieces and I joined it together with a thin tiny bit of jute twine and attached a floral, and I stuck it in the center of both the ears just like that. And I'm not going to worry about the back part because it's going to be behind the board. And I'm taking a dab of a hot glue everywhere and I'm carefully sticking it in the board just like so. And now it needs some decoration on the top. And I took a couple of long greenery leaves and I stuck 2 of them and some more greenery and some white florals to complete the look of this bunny decor. And this is how it looks after it's all decorated. And I have this beautiful bunny clothespins from last year, and they were in like multiple colors, and I took like pink and lavender, which is going well with this pattern over there, and it has got like also cottontail attached to it. And I just also dulled down the shine and I gave like pink and lavender paint on them as well, and they just are standing on either side of this cute bunny. And these are 2 of my cute spring bunnies that I wanted to share with you all today. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing if you like some of this. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.